Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing my nighttime cleaning routine, and I did do a little extra on this day just because my boys' playroom was a complete disaster. But anyways, I hope you enjoy and that this gives you much needed inspiration and motivation to tackle an area in your home. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is make sure all of the blinds are closed, and all of the other ones were already closed, so this was the only one I had left. I'm also putting up some of the clean dishes I had washed earlier, and also putting up some of my small appliances like my toaster. I don't like having a lot of clutter on my counters, so that's what I've been doing now. I just feel like it's less clutter and I feel more at peace during the day, and I just take it out when I use it. And then I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen table first and clearing everything out, so that's gonna be all done. So I'm going to be trying out the Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Multi-Surface Spray, and I'm so excited to try this out, you guys. I went to Target the other day and I picked this up. I've heard so many people raving about it, and I just had to grab one, and it does smell amazing, you guys. It smells just like fall, or what I would imagine fall to smell like, and I love it. And the smell does linger a bit, which I don't mind because I truly love the scent. So if you haven't tried it yet, make sure you go to your nearest Target and go grab one. The one I went to had a ton of them, but I know they sell out pretty quickly. I'm just going to be loading the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes, and I'm probably going to be starting a load since it's pretty full now. And what I like to do is load it during the day and wash it at night once it's full, and then I just take all of the clean dishes out in the morning, and that way I can just load it throughout the day. And I find it so much easier this way, and I don't wash as many dishes by hand throughout the day, so I do love that, and it saves me a ton of time. Now that my sink is all clean, I'm just putting a couple drops of lavender essential oil down my sink drain, and it smells amazing, you guys. So I do this every couple of nights. I don't do it every day. And now I'm just going to be starting my fall picnic candle, and making this food smell go away. And I got this candle at Michael's. It smells amazing. I just wish it would linger a little bit more. I find that the smell doesn't last too long like the Bath & Body Works do. But either way, I do love the smell. And now I'm just wiping down all of my counters and appliances, and I'm gonna be finishing up the kitchen in just a bit. So now I'm moving on to the living room, and I'm just going to be tidying it up since it wasn't too messy, and I'm going to be sweeping and mopping once I'm done with everything. Always have random things over here, so I'm just going to be putting those where they belong, and I'm placing these flowers over here instead and throwing these away since they were pretty much dead already. And afterwards I'm going to be sweeping and mopping. I don't sweep and mop every day, but it had been several days since I've swept and mopped, so I decided to just do it for the sake of the video. And I do like to sweep and mop usually at the end of the day, and I just find that it lasts longer and I wake up to a brand new clean kitchen and living area. So if you guys have an Instagram, I would love it if you would follow me on there as well. I have been way more active on there recently, and I post more of my day-to-day life and share more personal things. If you would like to join me, I will have my handle down below for you guys, and don't forget to say hello over there as well. So here is my clean kitchen after a long day, and this is my favorite time of the day. After having my kitchen all nice and clean, I just love to soak it all in because I know it's not going to stay this clean for long. But yeah, I do try my best to clean it every night. It doesn't always happen, but I do at least try to keep it as clean as I can so I don't have to do a lot in the morning. So let me know down below, do you also enjoy having your kitchen cleaned at night, or do you prefer cleaning it in the morning when you wake up? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And also, if you haven't seen my fall decorate with me, I will have it up here in the cards. If you need some fall decor inspiration, I showed how I decorated and cleaned my house for fall. I did add a couple of different items down here where my fireplace is at. I found those at the Target dollar spots, and I just love it. These cute little buffalo check pumpkins, and I just think it makes my fireplace come together and it feels so much more inviting and cozy. So yeah, I am loving it. Now that I'm all done with the main living areas, I'm moving on to my boys' playroom. They had a huge disaster and I needed to clean it up. It had been probably weeks since I've actually cleaned it. I've tidied up a lot in here, but I haven't actually swept and mopped. I thought it was definitely about time that I did that, and I'm just gonna be doing that real quick and I will be done with my cleaning routine. So the other day I noticed there were crayon marks on the wall, and I have no idea who did this, but I've made sure to not leave my boys unattended when they're using any crayons or markers. And to clean it off, I bought these magic erase cleaners, and I was pretty amazed at how easy it was to clean. All I did was soak the sponge with a little bit of water, and it just came right off, and I definitely recommend it, you guys, and I'll be repurchasing this product for any future accidents as well. So that is going to be it for my nighttime cleaning routine. I get so happy seeing all of these areas cleaned, even if it's just for a little while. And I hope you all enjoyed and that this gave you tons of cleaning motivation. If you made it this far, thank you so much. And I would love it if you would leave me one of your favorite fall emojis down in the comments. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you all. And subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you join my family. And also, turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.